Hello friends, myself RAKTIM MAITRA, and today I'm back again with another whole new episode of unboxing. Today we are going to unbox SENHEISER CX213 headphone. So let's do it. Looks like we have got a tough seal to open it, and over here we have got the barcode to check the originality of the product. Okay, so let's unbox it. But how does it open? I'm doing it for the first time. At least a Sennheiser kind of earphone, and I'm too excited. Okay, wait. Okay, I got it, I think. Yes, I got it. But in a rough way. Okay, no matter what happens, we should move on. Yeah, come on. Yes, yes, I got it. So, what do you have got here? Okay, I think this is a kind of paperwork or something. Let's scrap outside. Okay, so we have got some kind of paperwork, and here comes the beast, the earphone. I love it. I was waiting for this the whole time. Okay, and sheet of paperwork and all that. Nothing paperwork, just for warranty and all that company stuffs. So let's check what you have got here. Okay, so this is a Canela phone compatible with mobile and tablet. It does not contain Bluetooth, but it does contain 3.5 mm jack. And over here we have got earbuds, that too of two pairs. Great thing. And this is the in-wired, and obviously this is wired, not wireless. And this has got a lightweight and other stuffs like noise cancellation and intangible wear and many things. Sennheiser, you know, Sennheiser is packed with all. But the main thing that is missed in this model is the mic. We don't get a mic at this range in Sennheiser. At least you need to move to 2000 or 1700 to get a mic in Sennheiser kind of earphone, and it seems of a good build quality. The earbuds and all is really very good. I love it. Okay, and yes, and there is a movable part. Okay, so to lock the wear. Okay, to set up how much wear do we need? Okay, that's a good thing. That's a good thing, and it has got a matte finish too. Okay, the build quality seems to be very good, and the wear is not flat wear, not a flat cable, but yes, it is round cable but intangible, and a good build quality is very much better. And okay, it's stretchable to a kind of, but don't stretch it, otherwise it will tear off. Okay, good, I'm loving it. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all for today's unboxing. Goodbye until then, and have fun, and wait for the next video.